Well, I got good news and bad news. The good news is I just saved 15% by switching to Geico. Just kidding. We have AAA. Bad news is our neighbor called and our bull got into their pasture again. So Brixton and I walking over there, see if we can figure this out. So this is actually the second time he's got over into our neighbor's pasture. Harley is very social, very loud, and he likes to go visit the neighbor's cows and just squeezes through the fence. And we got him back the other day and made sure that we had the electric fence nice around him. I'm talking and getting pliers and wire at the same time. I'm not doing a very good job of it. So we got him over. I thought we had the electric fence set up really good, but apparently we didn't, because Harley don't care. He just really quickly goes underneath it and does what Harley wants. So it's really hard to have the electric fencing grounded well during the dry parts of the year. I mean, it hits pretty hard, but I think he's just kind of learned that if he goes really quick, it doesn't hurt that bad. This perimeter fencing is not that strong. There's actually lots of holes in it. So eventually we're just gonna have to stretch some new fence. It's probably 20 years old. This is where he got out. Let's just see. Oh yeah. Brixton, duck under there real quick. Yeah, it would be incredibly easy for him to just kind of power his way through there. So, yeah. Okay, let's fix this so that my neighbor can't outright call me a bad farmer. He's been very nice and allowed Harley, our cow, to kind of hang out with him, but he was saying he's kind of a little bit dominant, even though he's a small cow. He's a bull, so he likes to show everybody he's dominant. So I'm just gonna call my neighbor real quick and see if we can kind of bend this fence up and have Harley duck underneath and fix it real quick. Well, look who we got back, and he stayed here. Snuck into the fence last night. Some of you might be like, hey, you were wearing that shirt yesterday. Yes, I was. And maybe this is just me, but it didn't get sweaty enough that I could wear it again today. I just know during this morning's chores, it's gonna get dirty again, so why should I put on fresh, clean clothes? So we're gonna move them. We have a lot better fencing over on the east side of our farm. So we gotta do a little bit of rearranging. We gotta move the chicken tractor probably over here so that we can have the cows over in this area. You can see we got to move all this stuff over here, and then we will run the electric fencing around here. We'll have to protect the hay from the cows too, so we'll just kind of include that in the electric fence, and then they'll have this whole area to roam around, hopefully eat some of these weird weeds that are growing up. What a show off. What a beautiful voice. Okay, I'm turning on the electric fence. So, quick update. This is our chicken chandelier, or our chanda chicken layer. I don't know what to call it. I mean, chickens are happy. I think they're really enjoying it. A lot of people have mentioned that chickens actually don't like perfectly rounded roosts, and did a lot of research, and I guess that's true. I didn't really know that, and so we're gonna have to try to find out how to like round this out for them, or not round it out, it's not, flatten this out for them somehow. You know, maybe just put like, you know, like a little 1x1 so it's easier for them to roost on this. I don't know. I mean, so far for the few days they've been on it, haven't noticed any issues. But I mean, who knew that there was a science to how a roost should be? I just figured the chickens liked a high spot, and that was it. So a couple things to think about, and I'll work on that, I promise. Like, we're always trying to be the best chicken keepers we can be. Once again, you know, these are management issues that we learn over years of experience, and we'll figure it out. See if they like it or not. Hey guys, you like your new roost? You like it? You like what I did for you? Don't run away from me. Answer my questions. I don't know. I think they just like not having mites on them. I mean, I think it's very true that homesteading is about problem solving. And so, you know, to say that I understand everything, I have control of everything, I have everything planned out, would be a complete lie. Here's another example. This is Dot. She's our one surviving baby goat. She's our one surviving Nigerian dwarf goat. Gets out of our fence so easily. And that field over there, we need to start planting, but we can't yet, because if we plant and she gets over there, she will just eat every single seedling like snacks, like fruit snacks.
Veggie snacks.
Veggie snacks. I'll bet she'd eat a fruit snack. No. Truth be told, we're probably gonna sell her. We are in contract negotiations with Alora to see if we can find a new home for her, because that would be devastating for us to have a whole field full of flowers and have it just disappear because a goat got in there and started snacking on them. So real farm life here. We make mistakes all the time. Seedlings die, fencing lines aren't straight, animals get sick, we have bugs, we don't pasture rotate. Sometimes We even get things like chicken roosts wrong. Sorry, I'm so sweaty. Are we perfect? Nope. Are we getting there? Yes. Yes, we're moving that way, which, as Walt Disney said, keep moving forward. That's the whole purpose of our homestead, is to make things work. We'll get things wrong. Of course we will. But in the end, we'll make it right. And we are already seeing so much good progress on our farm. We're not gonna quit now. So thank you guys for being part of our channel. What is one thing that you can't seem to get right on your farm? Make us feel a little bit better about ourselves. And thank you guys once again for being part of our channel. We really appreciate it. Make sure you're subscribed, that notification bell is clicked, and we'll see you in the next video.